Chris here, Open Rotor Channel, and it's time for the first ride with the brand new K-Tech Razorlight rear shocks. Let's do it. Well, it's the first ride with the brand new K-Tech rear shocks installed. I installed these without doing any modifications to them at all, so I didn't adjust the spring rate, I didn't adjust the spring height, I didn't adjust the dampening, nothing, just out of the box and straight onto the bike. Now they're really soft, I will say that, but they are incredibly supple. Compared to the stock springs, which I had completely cranked down to carry the weight of my wife and I, which it still wasn't enough. The stock springs were incredibly rough, and these are just supple and soft. Definitely too soft. They're going to need some adjustment. I'm going to have to crank them down some. But on these Italian roads, oh my God, it is so smooth and soft. Compared to what I've been dealing with, this is a huge improvement. I would say this is the best improvement I've made to the bike since I bought it. I'm really looking forward to getting the forks done with the K-Techs. So right now I would say this is my best investment that I've made for the bike. These Italian roads, I mean, I'm trying to prevent... Oh, dude. So yeah, trying to not bottom out the suspension and bend a rim or pop a tire on these rough roads is the goal, and I'm really hoping that I can get the suspension dialed in with this K-Tech in the rear, and then eventually do the K-Tech inserts for the front forks. So stick around, more to come here on the Open Rotor Channel. Planning on some big rides later this year, and all this is part of gearing up for it. So keep tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.